All right, guys, we got also a 2018 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter I-Force workhorse. You can see the camper on it and everything. What we got done on this one, 4 factory converters, 2 there, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Then we did a CARVEN TR system, as you guys can see right there. CARVEN, if you're listening, give us a shout out. There they are, right there. 2 CARVEN TRs. Part number CVET R25, 2.5. CARVEN TRs right there. 2 of them. Then 2 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. And 2 some signature 4-inch double-walled stainless steel tips, there and there. There's the stock muffler that was on it, dual in, single out. And there's the tailpipe that was on it, right there. As you guys can see, we cut all that off and put a better, more beautiful system on it. There it is, CARVEN TR. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Toyota Tundra with a CARVEN TR true dual system. Good? You like it? He approves. Your sound decibels again. 106. Again. That sounds good. Yeah, I like it. And when they break in a little bit more, they get louder. Go ahead and back it up. That's the old muffler and tailpipe that were on it. Remember, guys, Tundras, they come in dual in, single out. So you make sure you get a dual in or 2 mufflers for it if you guys are gonna dual it out or whatever, as you guys saw earlier in the video. So that sounds nice. I like it. Much better. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter CARVEN TR system, true dual into 4-inch tips.